Happy new week and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me once again for the second week of this ad cycle. If you didn't make it to the store last week, some of the coupons are still valid. You can use them this week. Only thing I can suggest is make sure you're scanning the products on your app to see what coupons or CRTs they're attaching to help you save more. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and check the description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I shared in this video in case you need them when you go to the store. And let's go find some deals. The next deal I have is on the Kids Tums of Maine toothpaste. They are part of Spend 12 Get $4 back. Pick up two price at $6.79 each and both will total $13.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.58, get 4 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. If you like the Hello toothpaste, then the Hello Magical Mermaid toothpaste is on 35% clearance, originally priced at $6.79. With the clearance, you will pay $4.41. Pick up 2 for a total of $8.82. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon, and this coupon is the same coupon that worked on the Tums of Maine toothpaste. After the coupon apply, you will pay $4.84 and that will make each toothpaste just $2.41. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on Gillette Shave Foam, and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 priced at $3.79, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.90. The 2 will total $5.69. Pay the $5.69 and get 2 back, making them $3.29 or $1.85 each. My next deal is buy any Onyx food grooming and you get $3 back. Pick up 1 Carlox Fix Gel priced at $9.49. Pay the $9.49 and you get 3 back, making it $6.49. If you need the 1 plus other bad proof, they are on clearance for 75% off, originally priced at $7.69. But right now, you can get it for $1.92. My next deal is on Nivea lotion. They are part of Spend 20 Get $10 back. Pick up 1 Nivea lotion priced at $10.79 and 1 Nivea body cream priced at $10.79. These two will total $21.58. Use the $2 digital coupon and you pay $19.58, get 10 back, making them $9.58 or $4.79 each. The Creamy Coconut Tums of Maine Bar Soap is on clearance for 75% off, originally priced at $6.59, but with the clearance, you will pay just $8.69. Both men and women dye body wash is on sale for 2 for $8, no extra care box back. Pick up 2, pay $8, and that will make it just $4. Dove hand soap is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.59. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.80. The 2 will total $8.39. Pay the $8.39 and you get 2 back, making them $6.39 or $3.20 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $2 back on Method hand wash. Pick up 2 and they are on sale for 2 for $8. Pay $8 and you get 2 back, and that will make both hand washes just $6 or $3 each. The next hand soap deal I have is on Mrs. Meyer's. They are on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back and they are priced at $6.89. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.78. Pay the $13.78 and you get 5 back, making them $8.78 or $4.39 each. The next deal I have is on Neutrogena wipes. They are on the deal of buy 2 get 6 back. Pick up 2 priced at $7.79 each. The 2 will total $15.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 6 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. Buy 1 get $4 back on O'Keefe Lip Repair hand or foot cream. Pick up 1 O'Keefe walking hand cream priced at $10.29. Pay the $10.29 and get 4 back, making it just $6.29. I checked Ibotta because every time I share this deal, there is always an offer on Ibotta. But I checked this time around and I don't have any. If you're picking up this deal, scan it in your Ibotta and see if you have any offer. My next deal is on saltine crackers. They are on sale for $3.99, no extra care box bag. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. pay the $7.98, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back when you buy two. And you can also submit your receipt to sultansoffer.com for $5 prepaid card for buying two. That means you're getting back $5.75, and that will make them just $2.23 or $1.12 each. Kellogg Pop-Tarts are on sale for buy one get one free and is priced at $4.29. Pick up two, pay $4.29, and that will make each box just $2.15. Degree Dry Spray is on sale for buy one get one half off and part of buy two get $3 back. Pick up two priced at $6.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.50. The two will total $10.49. Pay the $10.49 and you get 3 back. Submit your receipt to fetch reward for 2,000 points for buying two, and that will make the two dry sprays just $5.49 or $2.75 each. My next deal is buy two get 5 back on Maybelline Cosmetics, and this deal excludes the eye products. Pick up two baby lips priced at $6.19, but if you check the app, it's priced at $5.79. If your store matches the price, then ask them to adjust it for you. If you're using the app price, two of them will total $11.58. We have a $3 digital coupon, and that will leave you to pay $8.58, get 5 back, making them $3.58, $1.79 each. The 72-count Pampers Wipes is on sale for $7.49 and is part of buy two get $5 back. Pick up two for a total of $14.98, pay the $14.98 and you get 5 back, making them $9.98 or $4.99 each. The next deal I have is spend $20 get $5 back on select products. Pick up two poise pads priced at $7.99 each, and two Kleenex boxes on sale for two for $4. These 4 items will total $19.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box. Use the $2.50 off poise digital coupon and you pay $17.48, get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each poise. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta, making them $10.48 or $2.62 each. My next deal is on CVS brand bandages. They are on the deal of buy two get 5 back. Pick up two priced at $4.99 each, and both will total $9.98. Pay the $9.98 and you get 5 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is on the 6.2-ounce OxyClean Gel. It's on sale for buy one get two free and is priced at $5.49. Pick up 3, pay $5.49, and that will make each one just $1.83. OGX Hair Care is on sale for buy one get one 40% off and part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner priced at $8.69 each. And with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $4.35. The two will total $13.04. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.04, get 4 back, making them $5.04 or $2.52 each. The next hair care deal I have will be on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. They on sale for $5.29, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner for a total of $10.58. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.58, get 2 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioners are on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner. Pay $9 and get 3 back, making them $6 or $3 each. The next deal is buy two get 4 back on any Garnier Whole Blend shampoo or conditioner. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner priced at $5.99 each, and the two will total $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.98, get 4 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The last hair care deal I have in this video will be on Aussie Hair Care. They are part of buy two get 5 back. Pick up 2 leave-in conditioners priced at $5.99 each. The two will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 5 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. If you can still find Axe body wash in your store, because most stores I went to is all wiped out, but if you can find them, they're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two prices at $6.29, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.15. The two will total $9.44. Use a 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.44, get 3 back, making them $1.44 or 72 cents each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.